Welcome to the first class of SBR. Today we are going to discuss briefly different aspects of SBR. The course objectives of strategic business reporting, SBR, typically aim to equip students or professionals with the knowledge and skills necessary to understand, apply, and critically evaluate financial reporting standards and principles in a variety of business contexts. Here are the key objectives generally associated with an SBR course. Understanding reporting standards. To develop a comprehensive understanding of the International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, and their application in preparing financial statements. Critical analysis. To enable students to critically evaluate financial reports and disclosures, assessing their relevance, reliability, and compliance with accounting standards. Business context application. To apply reporting standards and principles in diverse business scenarios, including complex transactions and group structures. Ethical considerations. To understand and apply ethical principles in financial reporting, considering the implications of different accounting treatments on stakeholders. Communication skills. To enhance written and oral communication skills related to financial reporting, including the ability to prepare and present financial reports effectively. Integration of financial and non-financial information. To integrate financial reporting with non-financial information, such as sustainability reporting, recognizing the broader impacts of business activities. Professional judgment. To develop professional judgment in making decisions related to financial reporting, considering both technical accounting standards and broader business objectives. Regulatory framework. To understand the regulatory framework governing financial reporting, including the roles of regulatory bodies and their impact on reporting practices. Advanced financial analysis. To conduct advanced financial analysis using financial statements, including ratio analysis, trend analysis, and forecasting techniques. Preparation for professional qualifications. To prepare students for professional qualifications in accounting and finance, which often require a thorough understanding of financial reporting standards. These objectives collectively aim to prepare individuals to handle complex financial reporting challenges, contribute effectively to decision-making processes within organizations, and adhere to ethical standards in financial reporting practices. The lecture structure of strategic business reporting, SBR, typically follows a structured approach designed to cover a range of topics and concepts essential for understanding and applying financial reporting standards. Here's an outline of how SBR lectures might be structured. 1. Introduction to SBR and Regulatory Framework. Overview of SBR. Introduction to the course objectives, content, and learning outcomes. Regulatory environment. Understanding the regulatory framework governing financial reporting, for example IFRS, local GAAPs, role of standard-setting bodies, for example IASB, FASB, and regulatory oversight. 2. Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. Introduction to IFRS. Overview of International Financial Reporting Standards, their purpose, adoption globally, and key principles. IFRS Framework. Understanding the conceptual framework underlying IFRS, including qualitative characteristics of financial information, elements of financial statements, and measurement bases. 3. Preparation of financial statements. Statement of financial position, balance sheet. Principles and guidelines for preparing a balance sheet, including recognition and measurement of assets, liabilities, and equity. Statement of profit or loss, and other comprehensive income statement. Principles for preparing the income statement, including revenue recognition, expense recognition, and treatment of other comprehensive income. 4. Consolidated financial statements. Group structures. Understanding group structures, including subsidiaries, associates, and joint arrangements. Consolidation process. Methods and principles for consolidating financial statements, including elimination of intragroup transactions and balances. 5. Advanced financial reporting issues. Financial instruments. Recognition, measurement, and disclosure of financial instruments under IFRS, for example derivatives, hedge accounting. Revenue recognition. Principles and application of revenue recognition standards, including multiple element arrangements and long-term contracts. 6. Reporting complex transactions. Business combinations. Accounting for business combinations, including acquisition accounting, goodwill, and impairment testing. Financial reporting for leases. Principles for lease accounting under IFRS, including lessee and lessor accounting treatments. 7. Ethical issues in financial reporting. Ethical standards. Understanding ethical considerations in financial reporting, including integrity, objectivity, professional competence and due care, confidentiality, and professional behavior. 8. Integrated reporting and non-financial reporting. Integrated reporting. Overview of integrated reporting frameworks and principles, linking financial and non-financial information. Sustainability reporting. Principles and guidelines for reporting on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. 9. Case studies and practical applications. Case studies, analysis of real-world financial reporting issues and scenarios. Practical applications, application of theoretical knowledge to practical examples and exercises. 10. Revision and examination preparation. Revision sessions, recap of key concepts, principles, and standards covered throughout the course. Examination preparation, guidance on preparing for assessments, including exam techniques and practice questions. 11. Guest lectures and industry insights. Guest speakers, invited industry experts providing insights into current financial reporting practices and challenges. Industry insights, discussions on emerging trends, regulatory changes, and their impact on financial reporting. 12. Q&A sessions and feedback. Question and answer sessions, opportunities for students to clarify doubts and seek clarification on complex topics. Feedback, gathering feedback from students on the course content, delivery, and effectiveness of teaching methods.